Hello, we are from Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Early College, and this is our presentation for the SchoolsNEXT competition. My name is Juan Badillo.
I'm Sebastian Perez.
I'm Miguel Marquez.
I'm Alan Garcia.
And we are Mango. For our inspiration, we took what we have in this classroom for what our school offers in manufacturing and engineering, and we put it into what we want our school to be. We want to give our students the knowledge and the experience so that when they get out of our school, they can have the preparation needed for their dream job.
These are some of the questions that we will be asking. These are some of the questions that we asked our fellow students. We asked them what manufacturing opportunities they would like to learn, what are some of the subjects that we should improve in our school, what are some things that they want to do for the future, and what are some things that will be used, that they could see manufacturing be used in their future. These are some of the questions that we got and a summary of them, where some students want a longer lunch period, while some wants to go and enter it late afterwards. Some wants improvements in the teachers as well. Afterwards, they don't really see any manufacturing opportunities in their classrooms, and they don't know what manufacturing really is. So they couldn't really answer the question of number 2. So they just want to see a most improvement in classroom improvement, where they want to see teachers improve. And so afterwards, for their future work, there are many different opportunities that they would like to take, from hairstylist to doctor as well. Afterwards, finally, they would like to go ahead and see, they don't really know how manufacturing would be placed in their workplace, but some do know that the military works with manufacturing, the electrician works with manufacturing, and finally, that doctors even work with manufacturing as well.
This is our planning process.
So our school's mission and vision statement is to be a school where we can offer our students more hands-on work, and we can prepare them for their future job that they want. And we want to help them by just getting them ready and allowing them to just pick out a career that they want to follow and they want to do. And if you guys are wondering what MANGO stands for Manufacturing a New Generation of Opportunities.
This is our bubble diagram, how we started imagining our school. We got an inspiration off the cogwheel, since it is used in a lot of machines that help us make stuff in manufacturing. This is our more advanced bubble diagram, where we actually started adding classes, what we wanted the place to look like. We also added OSHA to get them certified so they can have a better experience in their job. This is how we started making our school in SketchUp. This is our floor plan, how we wanted it to start looking: the parking lot, the main building, the separate building, the cafeteria, and the junkyard. This is the site where we are building our school. This is our 3D printed model, as you can see.
We have the main building, secondary building, junkyard, parking lot, and cafeteria, just as you're seeing right there.
This is our latest model of our building. As you can see, we have added a lot more detail, parking lot to the main building, and to the cafeteria and the junkyard and the separate building as well.
Now, for our classroom vision, we want to, again, envision more hands-on work experience. That's why we have automotives over here. We have all the car parts. We also have a separate part where students can sit down, learn from their teachers. And we also have welding over here for students to be able to get the experience needed for their jobs.
And also, some of the things that students can also learn is from their peers as well, from that place. Either from older peers or see an example of what the teacher could do.
Here we have collision repair, we have diesel, and we have electrical engineering. We want to offer many different careers. We want to offer a variety of different experiences so that we can build a real community around our school.
This is our cafeteria that we like to go ahead and design further. We have our cafeteria kitchen with stoves and sinks. Well, we want to make further improvements with those. This is the basic layout of it, and you go and see the kitchen. But then you can also see like, cafeteria tables that span for miles. And then afterwards, we also have the stage where you could show off cars or either students' projects that they made. We still need to go and update it.
And this is just, if you could go back, this is just another way that we want to involve the community. Is that we want to give our students the opportunity to show off their work, collision repair, like a before and after. Is to show off the car right here, set up the stage, just make a real environment that inspires creativity and opportunity.
The learning environment that we want our school to have is for that students going to be challenged while also being directed to their future jobs as well, where we go and make their learning environment safe while also being productive. If they want to go ahead and skip college and go on to a more personal school for their jobs, this is a school for them, where we can prepare them for their future in manufacturing and or other places as well.
Our community environment, we just hope for our community to come in, like Juan said, in the cafeteria. We want students to be able to show off their work and how they do their work. So we want to involve the community by hosting like nights where they could come into the school and see what the students work on, or what their students work on.
And then if there's anything that Mango wants to get across, is that we want to give our students their dream job. We want to enable our students, give them the opportunities and the experience that they will see in a real world job, and with doing that, preparing them for their future.